Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to developing effective leadership skills. In this video, we're diving into the art of inspiring and motivating your team. Get ready to become a leader who sparks passion and drives success. Let's begin! Tip number 1. Lead by example. Your actions speak louder than words. Demonstrate the qualities and behaviors you expect from your team, inspiring them to follow your lead. Tip number 2. Communicate with clarity and transparency. Share the vision, goals, and expectations openly. Encourage open dialogue, active listening, and provide regular feedback to foster a culture of trust and collaboration. Tip number 3. Recognize and celebrate achievements. Acknowledge the hard work and accomplishments of your team members. Whether it's a simple thank you or a public recognition, appreciation goes a long way in motivating and inspiring your team. Tip number 4. Empower your team. Delegate responsibilities, provide autonomy, and encourage innovation. Trust your team members to make decisions and contribute their unique skills and ideas. Tip number 5. Invest in professional development. Support your team's growth by offering training opportunities, mentoring, and coaching. Help them unlock their potential and become the best versions of themselves. There you have it, future leaders! By applying these techniques, you'll develop effective leadership skills that inspire and motivate your team. Remember, lead by example, communicate with clarity, recognize achievements, empower your team, and invest in their growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more leadership insights. Together, let's become leaders who ignite greatness in others.